leg passes. I think that's what the rope artists call this. I like it because when I first watched it, it was like a mind trick. I said, well, how does this work? And then I watched it until I figured it out. They're not really difficult, you just have to know which direction to spin and which leg to take first. So you start here, the handle spinning on the sofa side. You have to spin inwards. The whip, the tail end in front of you, you spin it inwards and then around the opposite leg first. So you spin inwards, opposite leg, and then catch the whip here in the middle between the legs. And you catch in the reverse grip. That is the easiest and smoothest for this direction here. So spinning inwards and catch in the reverse grip. For this, you just hold the hand in the way of the spinning whip, palm facing down or out to the side, and then the whip just spins right into your hand, and you have the handle end coming out of the pinky side. Once again, whip in front of you, spinning inwards, around the opposite leg first, catching in the reverse grip, then you have the whip between your legs, and then the same thing for the other leg. So spin underneath and again catch in reverse grip. And this is the end position. Now you've got the fiber end behind you. So it's really nice way to get the whip from the front behind you when you want to do something, I don't know what, just spinning behind your back. Once again, spinning inwards, whip in front of you, around the opposite leg, catch in reverse grip, around the same side leg, catch in reverse grip, and there you are with the whip behind your back. Other side. Starting, same position, fibers in front of you, now the handle end on the peace lily side. You start spinning inwards, around the opposite leg first, so the circus side leg is what you're spinning around first. Catch in reverse grip, just hold your hand, open your hand, palm facing down, out to the side, so that the whip just can spin right into your hand. Once again here, spinning inwards, around the opposite leg, catch in the reverse grip, the handle end coming out the pinky side, then repeat the same for the other leg, catch here, and you're in a position with the fiber end behind your back. Show it once again, spinning inwards, around the opposite leg, catch in reverse grip, around the other leg, catch in reverse grip. There you are. At first, just do some extra spins in between when you got the whip between your legs. So from here, some extra spins, catch your planes, and then go around the other leg. But when you really got that, you can skip this extra spin and just go from one leg to the other immediately. So just here, catch, and immediately around the other one. On the other side, same thing, catch, and there you go.